Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Stellis 0, Stellis 1 via penalties. I'm Chompa fan, my brother Libitso Kemangozo Kai.
Machinator from Pretoria 012.
Tanko Hotmani. Game Bonizwa. Game Bonizwa.
Wabona Mfetu, let me tell you, the gap between Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs is as wide as my teeth.
Yeah.
I can tell you that.
That's why.
It's very, very wide.
That's why.
Not even 3 points can cover this.
Yeah.
Like 9 points at least minimum.
Yeah.
But looking at the game, I was not impressed with the coach or the preliminary coach or the
assistant.
Or the assistant or the what coach.
Or translator.
Or the translator.
Yeah.
He has lost the dressing room. You don't make subs at the time of penalties. And then what's about you subbing for a defender? Why? That sub doesn't make sense at all. And then he shows you, you know what? I'm for Team Pro, my teammates. Udirang.
What's that?
What means? What's war?
Yeah, Maurice.
Exactly. Now, you've lost the dressing room, you've lost the game, you've lost everything.
Yes.
So if you're a Kaizer Chiefs or you're a Kaizer Chiefs supporter, go to the support group, www.supportgroup of callingout.co.za. That's Sundowns or Marabastad United is there.
Yeah.
Obviously, Turena is there. Skukuna is leading the group. It's admin. Skukuna is admin. Yeah, they are there. They are admin. So you're going through a lot, and we want to take you through that and say, open that support group and try get counseling. You understand? And as for us, we're cruising in nicely. We are the captain of our own ship. At this point, now I'm afraid Orlando might as well beat me one day without me being alive. And we need the revenge. They owe us. But now I'm so worried. In the future of my gaze, because it doesn't need shades. Or one of the future of my gaze, I can see it very clearly with the naked eye.
I need
my gaze is going to be beaten. Roughly. 3-1.
3-1, man.
And that one is just a favor. On goal. On goal. We were there. 3-1. Straight up. My gaze. 3 Pirates. My gaze 1.
Sharp.
And then the future will be too bright for Orlando Pirates for us to even look at it with the naked eye.
I should be.
There's no way.
Yeah.
There's no way. So, yeah. So, honestly, Kaizer Chiefs, they've got a lot of work. And by the way, even their chairman, Dr. Kaizer himself, I'm not talking about Junior, I'm talking about the general himself, the one we respect the most. I'll support the Pirates. That man, he said himself, my blood is black and white. That man who support the Pirates. That man. And you cannot argue with him. Yes, that's why all their jerseys, there's black in them.
Because
that man, he can't just convert his sons. Marayana,
Bob Steak and our
Bob Steak, I say, you.
Why
Rational Bakani?
Or Junior,
Maratime, guys, have a little bit of Bakania in you. Marabana. And never win. And the tactics of Bakani, they are clear and they are obvious.
Straightforward.
That's why we don't sign for popularity. We sign for tactics. We understand the style of play. This is our style of play, and this is how we go with. And this is how we win. Onale culture. Buccaneers, the Barcelona took the advice from us and say, what you are doing we want to run with it.
That's
That's why, serious. Unagano Robo Xavi, Iniesta, Messi, that development tactic,
it's a Copagania.
they copied that thing from Bacania.
Copala shoes.
Rena, we've been developing from day one. That's why all our players come from development.
Timing of the match.
Man of the match for Nane. Underrated, not hyped enough. Ne. Yo, Ox.
Mtejwa.
Guys. Kaizer Chiefs supporters, the problem with them is they don't want to look at anything other than someone that is scoring a goal or what.
Yeah.
A goal.
Va.
My grandma can score a goal.
Ibechais.
Even Ox. Ox, guys, come on. Let's give Ox credit.
Yeah, I'm sharply mad.
That guy, you know, there was this ball and I was like, he's going to win it. In my mind, I'm like, he's going to take that ball. And he took that ball. Because that guy, proper CDM. You cannot comprehend what he's doing. Exactly the same way. Oh, guys, no. I never get the guy. And like I'm comparing Rodri.
What's it?
Yeah.
I feel.
And like Rodri must come and say, Mchacho, thank you for giving me advice.
Arhurutman. Thank you, Rutman. Thank you, Rutman.
Oh,
Kitauta ya pala shoes.
No. I'm not. Good luck, guys.
Yeah.